mo ni siya ang atong number of lighthouse participants that you will be recruiting in every lighthouse. Mo ni siya atong kinahanglan nga discussion group leaders. So we already have a number with a simple calculation of what we have done. No? So ang tanan din nato nga whether it is activity, whether it is way of life or whatever, no, is geared towards that vision. So diha na din ta magsugod kung unsay atong mga activities. Kabalo naman ta kung asa ta paingon, unsa ang number, pila ang pastoral leaders. So it also connotes nga mosan ni ang inyong training nga himuon, pila ka number of man hours ang inyong himuon nga training so that you can produce pastoral leaders and at the same time covenanted members, etc., etc. So nakuha ninyo?
Yes.
So you have vision, you have people right now. Now, in every district leadership team, no, or in every, you call it a community leadership team, no, kay one community man gid mo sa Iligan, you will also have to have meetings, no. And right now, we wanted to have to make our meetings more meaningful, which is also geared towards that vision. So ang third na to nga dapat himuon is we have to finalize our data. Kaya karon bisan gali nga mo ingon nga pila ang members sa Iligan magkandarapa pa ta pila galita, di ba? So we don't have a specific and kana bitang specific knowledge on how many are we in Tilo Iligan. So dapat kabalo gyud sa atong data, kabalo to sa atong numbers. No? So currently we have 29 covenanted members, we have 17 underway members, 17 CW members, and then we have how many underway members, no? So, kanusa man sila ang underway, kanusa sila ma-covenanted, at CW kanusa man sila ma-underway, ang mga lighthouse kanusa man sila ma-CW. So we need to know all those things, no? And that is determined by data. One example of how important data is that when we are asked, kumusta ang inyong MWG? Tingnan lang dahil mga, we're doing fine. We're even doing great. So ang question na nasunod is, how great is great? Do we have numbers to put in so that we know how great is our MWG? So we don't have that, no? Even mingon ta nga, so pila man sa imong members karon ang na-establish nga prayer time and reading the scriptures? Siguro, I don't know if you know, no, or every pastoral leader knows, no? Kay ang sunod na question, kung wala ka kabalo ka, pila man day ka mag-conduct o one-on-one sa imong